Hey there, welcome back to Love Your Voice 101. Let me ask you something. Have you ever been in a meeting, classroom, or even a conversation with friends and wanted to speak up, but fear just kept you quiet? Trust me, I've been there. Today, we're diving into what it means to find your voice, not just vocally, but in life. Because being heard isn't just about volume, it's about courage and authenticity. So, if you're ready to stop shrinking and start shining, let's get into it. Now, let's talk about the struggle. So many of us have this deep desire to be heard, to share our ideas, our stories, but when the moment comes, fear grips us. Whether if it's nervousness, imposter syndrome as they call it, or just overthinking, it feels easier to stay quiet. But here's the thing. Staying quiet means you're letting others narrate your story. You hear me? And your story, it deserves to be told your way. Okay, let's break this down. So nervousness often shows up in your voice as tightness or shakiness, but a quick vocal warm-up can work wonders. Try this. Start with a soft hum. Feel the vibration in your chest and lips. It's grounding. Breath control. Inhale deeply through your nose, hold for 3 seconds, and release slowly like a sigh. Repeat 3 times, y'all. Lip trills. It's silly, but helps loosen your voice, okay? These exercises calm your nerves and help you feel in control of your voice before speaking up. So I want to share something personal. There was a time when I was the quiet one, the observer in every single room. I remember a moment in college when I had a brilliant idea in class, go Bulls, whoop whoop, USF, but I did not share it. Someone else said the same thing later, y'all, and the professor loved it. I thought that could have been my moment. That was a turning point for me. I promised myself I'd take baby steps to speak up, even when it scared me. I do that through singing now. I do that through vocal coaching. I do that through all the things Janelle, okay? And when I did, doors started opening. Speaking up changed my relationships, my career, and my confidence. The shift from quiet observer to bold speaker doesn't happen overnight, y'all. Start with safe spaces. Share your thoughts with close friends, family, or small groups. Celebrate those wins. Celebrate those wins. As your confidence grows, you'll realize your voice has power. And here's the best part. Every time you speak up, it gets a little easier. Remember, your voice is your superpower. It has the ability to change conversations, inspire others, and advocate for your needs. So start today. Practice in small ways and watch your confidence soar. It takes courage, but that courage is going to lead to the confidence that you need in order to soar, because the world needs your perspective. Now, go out there and speak your truth. You've got this. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment sharing how you're finding your voice. I'm rooting for you.